Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary. This video is all about DIY and how to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. Our skin under the eyes is very sensitive and very delicate. Whenever anything goes wrong in our body and on our skin, it first reflects under the eyes in the form of dark circles. Even wrinkles appear first under the eyes. Before any treatment is done for the dark circles, it is important to know the causes of dark circles. The most common cause of dark circles is lack of sleep. If you have been sleeping less, it often reflects over a period of time in the form of dark circles. Many years back I had this problem as well. It was because of lack of sleep, and over a period of years, as I started taking care of my skin and I also slept well, it reduced the appearance of dark circles. I still have it, but it's not as bad as it used to be. So if you have dark circles due to a lack of sleep, nothing on earth would work unless you get that sleep. Another very common cause of dark circles is stress. I believe whatever that we feel internally, it reflects on our skin as well. If you are positive and if you're happy, your skin will be glowing, and if you are stressed, then it will start reflecting in the form of lot of pimple breakouts and dark circles as well. Third cause of dark circles is genetics, which means if someone in your family has extreme dark circles and if you get it as well, that is a genetic factor. In this case, you can't get rid of it completely. The appearance of it can be reduced through some kind of treatment, but DIY mostly will not work in this case. Fourth cause of dark circles is sitting for long hours in front of a computer, television or smartphones. These days we all spend a lot of time in front of these screens, and spending long hours, especially during the night, it can cause a lot of dark circles under the eyes. Other common causes of dark circles is lack of proper diet, hemoglobin deficiency and recovery from some prolonged sickness. Before I talk about DIY, I wanted to inform that you can't get rid of dark circles completely. It can only be reduced to a certain extent using DIY. Along with this, it is also very important that you get good sleep and you have proper nutritious diet in order for these things to work. First DIY it's the most simple and effective DIY, which is very common and used by a lot of people. All you have to do is just cut one slice of potato and keep it under the eyes, and it has some form of a lightening agent which can reduce the appearance of DIY over a period of time. This can be done every single day. Second common DIY is cucumber. Again, you cut slices of cucumber, place it on your eyes. What it does is it gives nice cooling effect to the skin, and it gets rid of any puffiness or swelling. It has bleaching properties, so it helps in reducing the appearance of dark circles. Third DIY is tomato. Tomato also has exfoliating properties, but it can also be used for dark circles. You can also use tomato juice and apply it under the eyes, or you can just take a raw tomato and rub it under the eyes, keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. It has a lot of vitamins which helps the skin as well. A very effective remedy in getting rid of dark circles. Last but not the least is multani mitti. Multani mitti is another great DIY to get rid of dark circles. You can make an eye mask using it. For this, you have to take 1 teaspoon of multani mitti and mix it in 1 teaspoon of milk. Now start mixing it well to form a paste like this. So you can use this paste to apply it under the eyes. You can apply it anywhere else where you have any pigmentation or dark spots as well, and leave it for 15 minutes, allow it to dry, and then you can wash it off. You can do this face pack once a week only. Rest other DIY can be done twice a week or thrice a week, as you like it. This not only helps to get rid of dark circles over a period of time, but it also keeps the skin very moisturized. Last part is another important tips which I wanted to share regarding dark circles. First tip, as always in all of my skincare videos, you have to keep your under eye skin moisturized as well. When you moisturize your face, don't forget your under eye skin. You don't need to buy a separate eye cream. You can use your same face moisturizer to apply it under the eyes. Second important tip which I want to give, whenever you are exfoliating your skin using any DIY or if you're using any store-bought scrub, make sure that you keep it away from the under eye skin. Even when you use a store bought face mask, don't apply it under the eyes. Scrubbing under the eye can be very harsh to the delicate skin of the under eyes, and it can cause dark circles and other skin problems. Third point is don't scratch or rub the skin under the eyes, because as you know it is very sensitive. So be very gentle when you're applying any skincare product. Apply it in tapping motions like this. Even doing a face wash, be very gentle with the under eye skin. Fourth important tip which I wanted to include in this is that whenever you're doing any eyebrow threading or you're doing any waxing or shaving on the eyebrow, not just the under eye skin, this whole area is very sensitive. After the process is done, make sure that you apply some aloe vera gel or some cooling cream to soothe the area. It really helps. That is all that I wanted to discuss with you in relation to dark circles, some tips, DIY. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed for more videos related to DIY, other skincare tips and makeup as well. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.